Today, I'll walk you through how to add a filter on a Snapchat video call, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your video calls with fun filters so you can make your conversations more engaging and enjoyable. First, let's start by opening the Snapchat app on your device. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features remain the same. Once you have Snapchat open, navigate to the chat section. This is where you can connect with your friends and family. You can find the chat icon at the bottom of your screen, just tap on it to enter your conversations. Now locate the conversation with the person or group you want to video call. This is similar to finding a book on a shelf, just look for the name that stands out to you. Once you've found it, tap on the chat to open it. Next, you'll want to initiate the video call. Look for the video camera icon at the top of the chat screen, go ahead and click on it. This will start your video call, allowing you to connect face-to-face. While you're on the video call, you can easily add filters to your video. Simply swipe the screen to explore the various Snapchat filters available. Think of this as flipping through a photo album, where each page offers a new look or effect. If you have a specific filter in mind that isn't showing up, don't worry. You can also click the magnifying icon to search for your desired filter. This is like using a search engine to find exactly what you're looking for, ensuring you can personalize your video call just the way you want. And there you have it. You've successfully added a filter to your Snapchat video call. Remember, the key to making your conversations more fun is experimenting with different filters and effects. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.